Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza with friends on PC. First, make sure everyone has the game installed and updated on their personal computers. It is also essential that all players are signed into their respective Microsoft accounts within the game itself. A stable internet connection is crucial for a smooth experience, so double-check your network settings before you begin. This foundational setup ensures you are ready for seamless multiplayer action. Once you are in the game, open the pause menu and find the Online tab. From there, select Horizon Life to enter the shared online world where you can connect with others. Next, look for the Convoy option, which allows you to create a group. Within the Convoy menu, you will find the Invite Friends button. Click this to send invitations to your friends who are also online and ready to race. When you send an invitation, your friends will receive an in-game notification on their screen. They need to accept this invitation to join your convoy and enter your shared game session. Once they accept, all players will be seamlessly brought into the same game world, ready to explore, race, or simply cruise together. This process usually takes only a few moments, getting everyone connected quickly. For the best experience, ensure everyone has the latest game updates installed, as differing versions can sometimes cause connectivity issues. Utilizing in-game voice chat or a third-party communication tool greatly enhances coordination and fun during races or exploration. If you want a more private experience, consider creating a private convoy. This allows you to play exclusively with your invited friends, free from other players, for a more focused and personal session.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.